Are you tired of creating manual records for thousands of leads that you receive every day? Then this video is exactly what you need. So hello everyone, welcome back to the YouTube channel of Pabbly, your one-stop solution for business automation and growth. And today I am going to demonstrate how you can turn your WhatsApp chats into Airtable records automatically. And in this video, I am going to integrate these two different applications, WhatsApp and Airtable, with the help of Pabbly Connect, so that whenever I will receive any new message on my WhatsApp account from my student about my coaching business inquiry, then after that an automatic record will get created on my Airtable account for lead tracking. So if you are ready to learn how I am going to create this amazing automation, then for that let me take you right onto my screen. Hi, this is Jay and now we are on my screen. And today I will show you this amazing integration I have created between WhatsApp Cloud API and Airtable with the help of Pabbly Connect. And with the help of this integration, I will store all of the leads that I receive from my WhatsApp account in my Airtable base. So first of all, I will show you how this automation will work. And for that, we will go back on my WhatsApp account. So you can see this is my WhatsApp account, and in here when I will send this particular message to this particular chat, and you can see we have sent this message, and now an automatic record will get created on my Airtable base. So you can see this is my Airtable base, and in here when I will refresh this, you can see a new record with the name, phone number and message has been created successfully. So this is how you can create a record of all of your leads for better lead tracking. And now I will show you how you can also create such an amazing integration, and for that you just have to go on a new tab and enter pabbly.com/connect, and after clicking on enter button you will be directed towards this landing page of Pabbly Connect. And in here on top right corner you can see we get two different options, sign in and sign up free. So if you are a new user, then you have to click on the sign up free button, and from here you can create your free account. And if you are an existing user, then you have to click on this sign in button given here. But before this, I would like to share with you guys some details about Pabbly's Facebook community. So Pabbly has this amazing Facebook community of more than 20,000 members, wherein individuals share their ideas, ask questions from our experts. So if you also want to become part of this amazing community, then for you I will add a link of this community in the description box of this video, so you can go and join our community from there. And now, being an existing user, I will go back to my Pabbly Connect account, and in here I will click on this sign in button, and after that I will get directed on this all apps page of Pabbly. And in here you can see Pabbly has these 7 amazing and powerful applications, but today as we are going to use this Pabbly Connect, so I will click on this access now button, and after that you will see that I have got directed towards this dashboard of Pabbly Connect. And in here on this right corner you can see we get a button, create workflow. By clicking on this button I can start creating a workflow for myself. And also on this left side here you can see this plus button is given in front of these folders. If I want to create a folders for my workflows, then I can just click on this plus button, and from here I can create a folder for myself to save my workflows and to stay organized. And now to start creating a workflow, I will click on this create workflow button, and after that you can see these two workflow builders come in front of me, this new version and this classic version. But for today I will select this new version, which is modern, faster and flexible, to create my workflow. So I have selected this, and now inside this dialog box, first of all I will give a meaningful name to my workflow as this record WhatsApp leads in Airtable base. And from this second box here I will select the folder in which I want to store this particular workflow, and after selecting this folder I will click on this create button given here, and after that I will get directed towards the most important window for our workflow, which hosts this trigger button. And this trigger button is actually the event on which I want my workflow to get triggered. And after this button we will work on our action step, which is actually the response towards this trigger. This trigger and action buttons are like the two basic principles, the two basic concepts on which our whole workflow is going to be based on. And now to help you better understand how this trigger and action button will work, let me discuss with you guys my objective for today's video. So today what I want is that whenever I receive a new lead on my WhatsApp account for my coaching business, I want to store these leads automatically as a record in my Airtable base. So for that, I will take my trigger application as this WhatsApp Cloud API. So I will search for my trigger application, WhatsApp Cloud API, and here you can see this is my trigger application. So I have selected it, and for this application event I will select this message notification because I want my workflow to get triggered every time I receive a message notification on my WhatsApp account. And now to connect WhatsApp Cloud API with Pabbly Connect, I will click on this connect button here, and after that you can see we have received this webhook URL. So we have to copy this webhook URL from here, and then we have to click on this hyperlink given here, and after that you will see that all the steps that you have to follow are given in detail in this particular hyperlink here. But to save our time, I will show you directly how you can connect your WhatsApp Cloud API account with Pabbly Connect. And for that you just have to go on a new tab and enter developers.facebook.com, and after that you will get directed towards this Meta for Developers page. And in here, first of all, you have to create an application for yourself. And if you want to learn in detail how you can create your WhatsApp Cloud API account, then for that you just have to click on this hyperlink given here, and after that when you will land on this particular page, you can watch this video from here to learn step-by-step WhatsApp Cloud API setup. And after creating your WhatsApp Cloud API account, you have to go back on your Meta for Developers account, then you have to click on this My Apps given here. After that you have to select the app which you have created for yourself, and inside this app you have to click on this WhatsApp given on the left side here, and from this drop down you have to select this configuration button. And after selecting this configuration, inside this configuration you can see we have to enter our webhook URL that we have copied from Pabbly Connect inside this box. So I will paste this webhook URL here, and for this verified token you have to go back on your Pabbly Connect account, and when you will click on the hyperlink given here, after that you can see in this particular page, when you will scroll down, you will see that this verified token has been given to us right here. So I will copy this verified token from here, and then I will paste it on my Meta for Developers page, this verified token box. And here after that I will click on this verify and save button, and you can see I have successfully filled all of these following fields. And after that, from this select product drop down, I will select this WhatsApp business account, and after that I have to scroll down, and then I have to look for the messages. So you can see this is the messages. So I will first click on this button here to on it, and you can see now we are subscribed, and then I will click on this test button given right here to send a test message to Pabbly Connect, and then I will click on this send to server. So you can see our message is sent successfully. So we will go back to my Pabbly Connect account, and there we will see if we have received a response or not. So you can see we have received this response successfully, and in this we have got all the details like the text, the number, and the name of the sender. So this means that our trigger step is working successfully. And now I will work on my action step, and for that I just have to click on this plus button given right here, and for my action application I will select this application Airtable because I want to store a record in my Airtable account. So you can see I have selected my action application, and for my action event I will select this create record because I earlier told you that I want to create a record automatically on my Airtable account. And then to connect my Airtable application with Pabbly Connect, I will click on this connect button given here, and after that you can see we get two different options, add new connection and select existing connection. So if I am connecting my Airtable account with Pabbly Connect for the first time, then I will click on this add new connection. Otherwise, if I have already connected my Airtable account with Pabbly Connect, then I will go with this select existing connection. But to show you how you can add your Airtable account with Pabbly Connect, I will click on this add new connection, and then I will click on this connect with Airtable button. And after that you can see as I have already logged in my Airtable account, so that's why Pabbly Connect has automatically detected it. And now I will just click on this add all source, and after that I will grant access, and then you will see that our connection is created successfully. And now I have to fill up these following fields to successfully complete this workflow. And for that you can see in this base name drop down, I will select this particular base, WhatsApp responses, and you can see this WhatsApp response is the base that I have created in my Airtable account to store the leads that I have received from WhatsApp. So you can see this is how my Airtable base looks, and you can see for this table name, as I have created only one table, that's why Pabbly Connect has automatically detected it. And now in here you can see we have got these three following boxes: profile name, phone number, and messages, and these are the exact same boxes that I have created in my Airtable base. So you can see this is profile name, phone number, and message boxes. And now I will fill all of these following boxes one by one. And to fill these following boxes, I will take help of mapping. And what mapping is, I will tell you later in this video, but for now I will show you how you can map data. And to map data, you just have to click on this given box here, and after that you can see your trigger responses are now visible to you. So when you will click on this drop down, you can see all the responses that I have received in my trigger step are now visible to me. As I want to enter the profile name inside this box, so I will select this profile name from here, and you can see our profile name is mapped successfully. And just like this, I will quickly map the phone number and these message boxes. So you can see I have successfully mapped all of these following fields, and now after that I have to click on this save and send test request button. But before that, let me share with you guys why I have mapped these following data. So if I tell you in simple words, when we map data, it becomes dynamic. It means that whenever Pabbly Connect will detect any new data, it will automatically update the old data with the new captured data. But if I will fill these fields manually, like if I will type down the name of my user manually, then that particular data will remain static and it will not change unless we come and manually change it. So that's why we have to maintain a balance while we fill up these fields. Like if I want some data to remain static, then I will type it manually, and if I want some data to get changed automatically, then I will map it. And now I hope that you have understood how and why we map data. So after this, I will click on this save and send test request button, and then we will wait for response. And you can see we have received this response. This means that all these details got created as a record on my Airtable account. So you can see this is my Airtable base, and in here when I will refresh this, you can see this new record has got created successfully. So you just saw how easily I could create this amazing automation, which will work instantly whenever I will receive a new message notification on my WhatsApp Cloud API account. And if you want to get a clone of this workflow, then for you I will add a link of this workflow in the description box of this video. And if you like this video, then please consider subscribing to Pabbly's YouTube channel. And for more such amazing videos, please do comment on which topics do you want to see videos from us. And thank you for watching this video. Not only these applications, you can integrate many more applications with the help of Pabbly Connect. Now, if you have any doubt, you can email us at support@pabbly.com. You can ask your queries at forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issue, you can visit us at this given website here. Also, if you like this video, then please consider subscribing to our channel and sharing this video with our friends. Thank you.